Monday, August 7th, 1:29 p.m. New York time. Good afternoon. This is a review of my day trades I took this morning on the futures market with the S&P 500. That's the ES. So since it's the afternoon, look here briefly at the daily charts and stock equity indexes. See what's happening today on this Monday. S&P 500 still inside the range of Friday. See my yellow candles? That simply means, again, they didn't take out the high or low of the prior candle. Indecision. Nasdaq 100, same thing. Inside candle. Dow Jones, inside candle. Dow Transports actually made a lower low. Dow Utilities, inside candle. And Russell 2000 made a lower low. So I have many mixed signals on the daily charts. Again, these won't be done till 4 p.m. Now we'll go into the charts, candlesticks of my day trades. It's a 1-minute chart. It's today. Total I did was round turn, 7 day trades. 3 of them pre-market. That's before 9:30 a.m. And the other 4 after the New York market open, which is after 9:30 a.m. So here on the top left, that's 5:55 a.m. Going forward here, closer. 7 o'clock starts here. My first trade was bullish. I bought here. I like this consolidation here. I also like this was a support level to me. I interpreted that as a support here. Yep. So my thought was this consolidation will have a breakout and possibly go up here. We test the swing high. Also, this consolidation here, the volume was in my favor. I'll show you some more of that momentarily. You had this big green candle, small red candle, small green candle, but they were making higher lows. The momentum was the upside and broke out. I went long. Next candle, higher high, higher low. Good for me. Higher high, higher low. This green candle. Look at that. Body, wick on the top. Almost like an inverse hammer. Yeah. Give you a clue. Just around here. The high of that, 45.11. Hey, there's people selling up there. So the upside may be wearing out. Maybe the bulls are getting tired. Nothing wrong with taking profits early. They have profits, could take them. Well, again, start off greedy, thinking it was going to go here. Next candle, red, lower low, lower high. Trend reversed. Next candle, red, lower low, lower high. I closed the trade. Still won. There's a profit, small profit. Should have moved my stop up. Easy to say after the fact, but should have moved my stop up under each of these lows. I kept on moving up, tighten my stop in. That's one thing I could have done. I do that sometimes. But here, I was concerned also going to have some whipsaw this time of day. So I hesitated. And it worked out because, again, I was bullish bias, broke out consolidation. Shame on me. I didn't close it sooner. It gave back quite a bit of the profits I made there. First trade, winner. See this candle? Nice, like a bullish pin bar. Nice here. So this green candle had volume 437 contracts. This green candle, 410 contracts. So less volume occurred here, which is good because on the downside, less selling showing. I'm seeing this occur. Inside candle, indecision. Breakout to the upside. Nice. And I like that pattern. Another green candle. Trend is going up. Higher, higher. Look at these. Suspicious. Might be a shorting opportunity. consolidation, but still momentum to the upside. And a sell-off. Again, swing high here, retested here, and selling off. Good trading opportunity to short it up here. Showing these as trades in hindsight, I saw, but I didn't take them long because I was leaning more bullish bias. Shame on me, I missed out. Again, we had prior sellers up here, retest up here. Consolidation, excuse me. Yeah, panic selling, which is interesting here. See this candle? I mean, sorry, this big volume bar. This volume bar was at the high. Versus here, this volume bar was at this high. This was red, 534 contracts in this big volume bar. Sorry, here, this green one, 466. Obviously, it was not more buying because it didn't continue the momentum upside. It's distribution. Let's go here. So as I'm watching this consolidation here, I was thinking to go short. If I saw the set, I was thinking go short, but I was thinking also the risk to reward I don't like, because overall I was reading multiple time frames as bullish bias, thinking the downside be very small, risking any capital for a small move on the downside. Not best thing to do. No. Yeah. A lot of panic selling here. See, white candle. The white candles on my chart simply mean the price open and close at the same. So I'm seeing as a bearish trend, retracement. Yeah, I'm thinking, okay, that's a good setup. Go short and the break of that. And I did. I went short here. I think we are going to have a lot more downside. Got in that short. And it closed fast. Thank goodness. It's more panic selling, so it closed. That was good. Okay, that was a short. Worked out fine. Going forward. Look at this nice consolidation here. Oops, nice consolidation building here. Again, I'm bullish bias because the higher time frames I'm seeing some bullish singles, bullish candlesticks when I say singles often. Yep. So again, momentum retest here, consolidation retest here. I like that. So I took a trade here. Got in late. Should have gotten a few seconds earlier, but I hesitated because the candle looking at it was still suspicious. Anyway, got in the long here. Or I can see in between those two price action. Yeah, we broke out and I closed there. Yep. That was a long close. Nice. Fast trade. That's what scalping is. You're not marrying position. And then the trend continued going higher. So again, we're in here. I was thinking potential upside there. That was one of the parts of some part of the reason why I take the trade. Because down here, I was thinking, yeah, we're going to probably do maybe nearly or 100% retracement up here. And down here, consolidation was the buying low, selling high. So look what happened. Went all the way up there, tested that. Yep, I left a lot of money on the table. Shame on me. Again, should have just kept on moving up my stop instead of closing it. But again, I was happy. So we know here was massive amount of sellers up here. Tested it, big wick up there. Suspicious. These candles, giving signals are bearish. The momentum went higher. Yeah. Wow. So this is 8:40 now, getting closer to the top of the hour. Top of the hour being 9 a.m. Look. See, the market's trending. A lot of trends. Again, another reason I choose the morning session instead of the afternoon session, evening session. More liquidity, more trending opportunity. Huge volume. A lot of these big candles, these big volume spikes were on upside, again, showing strong bullish bias to the upside. Then we come here. Look at this. Smaller candles, starting to get wicks on the top. Consolidation, suspicious. Here we go, top of the hour. This was 9 a.m., 0900 for your civilians. Look at that. Breakdown. But again, I'm looking for possibly retests on these candles that have these huge volume. I should have labeled those again, highlighted those again. That's fine. So we have consolidation in this price range here. The high here and the breakout here. Consolidation in there. Getting closer to the opening in New York, which is 9:30. I typically don't trade between 9 a.m. and 9:30. I sit on my hands, do other things, could walk away. Coming now into the New York session, 9:30. Look at that first 1 minute candle, extreme bullish, strong body going up 2 quarters. And I typically don't trade even in the immediate opening in the New York session. Oh. So look at that, mixed singles here. Quarter, see this red horizontal line, 45.25. A lot of rejection over there. Break above it. Let's continue going forward. So here, look at that. Popped above the horizontal line, 45.25. Again, you see weakness. If I go back a candle. Big wicks on the top, big wicks on the bottom, a lot of mixed signals, huge volume. Maybe a lot of people getting filled on market orders there. Then you have that panic selling. Big body, big red candle, panic selling. Good if you were in that trade short, but wouldn't want to be the buyer of that. Yep. So I saw that panic selling as an opportunity. Look for a short. I'm looking this green candle for me. I'm thinking, yep, I'm going to go short midpoint in this red candle. I didn't take it right away. I saw a green candle. I just didn't because I was thinking, yep, too much activity still, sit on hands. In hindsight, sure, I should have gone short when this green candle tested midpoint of that red candle. The next candle, I went short, broke below, went short, broke below that green candle. And another panic selling, my trade got closed for profit. So missed the I hesitated on getting in that trade early here. Would have been more money, more gains. And then look at these candles decline. More higher volume, more selling. That's good. For the bearish bias trader here, the ones that were short, that was good in our favor. A lot of panic selling, volume increasing. That's certainly what you want to see when you're short. Yeah, closed early, left a lot of money on the table. That happens to me. So here, this was the high of the New York session. Morning session. That was a low. So I'm starting to see a pattern forming here. You can see here, consolidation. Oops, too early. Consolidation. I like this. I'm thinking bulls are stepping in here because we're getting a consolidation. And these consolidations, some nice big green candles, smaller bodies on reds. Yeah, a lot of whipsaw here, but consolidation. So as this is occurring, breakout here, nice. This breakout, missed it again. Didn't get in early enough. I wanted to get in as soon as we broke above that, but this candle was already done. Got in immediately when it's done. Bullish, bought, long. And it was so fast, that trade. It got closed out during that same minute. See these two lines? That was the one I bought. And that's the one I got out. It was so fast, that trade. Yeah. What happened after? Continue going higher. Let's go a little more. Trending down. So this swing low here got broken. I didn't want to go short here because I was thinking, yep, there's more opportunity on the upside and didn't think the move down would be much. Again, in hindsight, that white candle here, I should have just gone short on that break up there because that was a nice consolidation. So retest, a good pattern there. Yep. So the sell-off here, panic selling. I'm seeing this forming because I was getting bullish bias looking for buying opportunities. I saw this reversal. First huge volume, panic selling down here. I think that panic selling, because I'm bullish bias, And I'm thinking that panic selling was nonsense, which it ended up turning out being nonsense. Those people selling into panic. Smart money was waiting here, buy. So green candle, big wick on the bottom, buyer stepped in there. As soon as it break above that, I bought. I went long. And also my candle, I also got closed right there too. Fast scalp. Look at that, left a lot of money on the table, went back up again. And consolidation. So here, let me make sure you're here. So again, this trend up, swing high here, broke that swing high. Thank goodness I didn't take any trade at swing high here. I was concerned. So broke above, actually went a little bit higher than the swing trade. I like that trend. It was a strong trend, bullish trend, big bodies. First here, it was a slow grind down. So not the worst kind of panic selling. That was more panic selling, huge bodies. This was selling, but it was more control selling, where this is extreme bullish upside, just these huge bodies, rapid increase. So I'm looking for this pullback. When this pullback was occurring, I almost went long in some of these because the way price action was buying, I kept on seeing buyers step in there. Glad I waited. Then you had this bullish pin bar or hammer here, big body hammer. That's what I liked. I said, wow. So volume there, 6,788. First here, volume was 3,847. Strong volume upside, weak volume on the downside. Yeah, contrarian. Good opportunity to look for that bull. Breakout, I went long. Nice. Momentum to the upside. Next candle went higher, and I got closed out there. Profit. Yeah, went higher. Left a lot of money on the table. Oh, Lord. Continue going higher. And acceleration. Let's go forward a little bit more. So I shut down over here. I was done for the day. Done for trading for the morning. Maybe I have some swing trades. I'll look closer to the end of the day. Maybe I'll see something to do. But you can see the consolidation went much more here. Harder for trading when you start having these consolidations that go on a long duration, because staying focused on the screen. So that takes a toll looking here on the eyes, the thought process. Yeah, look at that. The candle retest there, swing high, fake out, popped higher. So again, people that were going short here got in early, popped up. Then you have that selling here. Wow. And there, look at almost complete retest. And that's how my day trading went. A happy camper, good money management. I got out. Every trade was a win this morning. A happy camper on a Monday.